Bottle gourd, also known as calabash, lauki, or opus squash, is a type of vine-grown vegetable. The plant produces a light green, smooth-skinned fruit that can vary in shape, ranging from short and round to long and cylindrical, often resembling a bottle, hence the name. Bottle gourd is widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions around the world and is particularly popular in South Asian, African, and Middle Eastern cuisines. The fruit is usually harvested when it is still young and tender, as older gourds tend to become tough and fibrous. Culinary bottle gourd is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes such as soups, stews, curries, and stir fries. It has a mild flavor and a high water content, making it a refreshing ingredient in meals. Bottle gourd is primarily composed of water, making it a hydrating and low calorie vegetable. It provides a moderate amount of dietary fiber, which supports digestion and is a good source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes skin health. The vegetable also supplies essential minerals like potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function. This will be my first gourd harvest for this season. It's mid August already and my first one. Last year, I've already harvesting gourd in July. This year is a sad year. This one, I'm going to cook it for our supper. But I need some more ingredients, so we're going to harvest that. I only know one way to cook gourd, and that requires tomatoes, lots of tomatoes. I love tomatoes in dishes. Okay, I could hear some mosquitoes buzzing in my ear. I didn't have my... Is this okay? I didn't have my mosquito repellent with me right now. I thought there won't be that many mosquitoes because we had some cooler days. That's a baby tomato. That was good. I love tomatoes. I'm going to need hot peppers. Look at this. How long this is. Okay, I'm probably need maybe 3 or 4. Of course, I'm going to need onions. So these onions are not very successful. I think it's because it's under the tomatoes and they're not getting enough sunlight. So I might as well harvest them. I know they're still small, but look how small they are. Okay, I only have 4. I think I have a few more on the other side. So this one here. And I think I have more than enough onions. What else do I need? Let's see. I think I have what I need. Okay, let's head inside. Oh, I forgot this one. Let's head inside. These are the ingredients I need. The fresh ingredients are from the garden except for the garlic. I have spicy long pepper, gourd or upo, onions, tomatoes, salt, oyster sauce. Normally, fish sauce is used to cook this, but my husband doesn't like it, so I use salt in everything I cook. But I keep fish sauce in stock for dipping or when I crave something I know he won't eat. I also never use MSG in my cooking. I use this pan to brown the side pork, which is another ingredient I forgot to mention. I'm reusing this pan without cleaning it. The bits and pieces left here will add additional flavor. Cooking oil is added to the pan to heat up. I would add more, but I'm out of cooking oil. This is that's left. Add the garlic to the hot oil. Please note that I am not a seasoned cook. Those of you who are expert in cooking, please ignore my method. My cooking skills are minimal and mostly are based on experimenting and guessing. This video is just to show you what I do with my harvest. As I mentioned earlier, I have minimal knowledge of cooking and I only know one way to cook gourd. So if you have any ideas on how to cook gourds, I'd love to hear them. Including the ingredients and the cooking method would be greatly appreciated. I've now added the onions and I'm letting them cook for a minute or so. I'm adding the side pork. And the tomatoes. Aside from side pork, I sometimes use ground pork or ground beef, depending on what's available in my freezer. Shrimp is also a good option, but I haven't tried chicken yet. I'm adding the salt now, and we'll taste it later to adjust the seasoning. The gourd is now added since the tomatoes have reached an almost paste-like consistency. Before adding the hot pepper, I added a bit of water to increase the moisture. When adding the long hot pepper, it depends on how I like the pepper done. If I want it half cooked with a bit of a crisp texture, I'll add it close to the end. But if I want it really soft and mushy, and also to give the sauce a little hint of spiciness, then I'll add it early, right after the gourd. I'm now adding a bit more water, just enough to suit my taste. Sometimes I add more water to make it like a soup, but I'll keep it as is. The sauce will provide enough moisture and flavor to go with white rice. Now that the gourd is almost cooked, I'll add the oyster sauce for more flavor and then adjust the seasoning. I forgot to mention earlier that crushed or ground pepper is also an ingredient to this dish. The seasoning is now adjusted and the gourd is cooked. This is more than enough for 2 people's supper and we'll have plenty left over for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. Again, thank you and see you next time. Happy gardening!